Coming in this weekend, you guys, let's talk about the positive, right? It's going to knock the pollen levels down a little bit, which would be good news, right? We're trying here. So today it's high. It starts to slowly slip down, not until tomorrow evening, and then Sunday into Monday with the heavy rain coming in, kind of washes all that pollen out of the air. So allergy sufferers will get a little brief respite from some of the worst conditions. 44 in Worcester right now, 47 in Boston. Most of us, just like the past several days, are running in the 40s right now with varying amounts of clouds and sunshine out there. A little touch of patchy fog as well, but it's dry. And in fact, most of today will be dry as well. Where is our weekend rain? Just starting to kind of organize here with the storm system coming through Oklahoma and Arkansas, rain spreading through Kentucky and Tennessee. This is going to continue to kind of pick up some moisture, develop off the Carolina coast, and work in our direction for later on tomorrow. So our Saturday morning's dry. Our Saturday midday's dry. Now we got a lot of graduations, we got baseball games, we got Little League, we got a lot of events. The afternoon is dry for the most part. An isolated shower can't be ruled out. So central Massachusetts gets into the rain first between 4 and 6 p.m. And then eastern Massachusetts, it waits until about 9, 10 o'clock tomorrow evening, and then it pours tomorrow night into early on Sunday morning. If you're an early morning riser on Sunday, maybe waking up to some downpours on the roof here. And as we head into the late morning, the intensity of the rain will let up a bit. It's still going to be showery pretty much off and on the entire day on Sunday with scattered light showers. It's going to be gloomy, wet, and raw for Mother's Day with temperatures only around 50. Rainfall totals for most of us, about 1 to 2 inches. Eastern Massachusetts could see a few locally higher amounts, particularly down towards the Cape. Localized flooding and some ponding of water in some urban areas may flood in a few isolated spots. Wind ramps up gradually through the day tomorrow in off the ocean. The strongest wind coincides with some of the heaviest downpours, so very early on Sunday morning. This is the map at 5 a.m., and these are the projected wind gusts. Notice 20 to 35 miles per hour inland. At the coast, we may gust 35 plus. And my only concern is Cape Cod, particularly the outer Cape, may gust briefly to 50 early on Sunday morning before the wind shifts around as the storm goes by. It's going to come out of the north and the northwest later on in the day, which is good news. No coastal flood threat as we head into this weekend storm. High temperatures today, then low 50s at the coast with that wind off the ocean. 55 to 60 here through Worcester County, the Monadnock region. Many of us in the 50s here through southeastern Massachusetts as well. Clouds winning out at times, and then there'll be some breaks of sunshine as well. Those clouds will thicken tomorrow, but the rain holds off into the evening. 57 degrees for a high tomorrow. Once again, a little cooler at the coast. Saturday night, areas of heavy rain, fog, mid-40s, wind increasing off the ocean. That early morning rain on Sunday will gradually taper to showers, but will only be in the upper 40s to low 50s on Sunday. So no Mother's Day extremes here. I mean, it's going to rain. The record high on a Mother's Day, 92 degrees set back in 1970. The record low was 36 degrees. Record rainfall, I don't think we'll quite get there, 3.77 inches. That was back in 2006, actually. And record snow for Mother's Day, not talking about snow, but nearly an inch. Still in the 50s, Kate, and still coolest at the coastline with that onshore breeze, mid to upper 50s inland with varying clouds and some sunshine here. Now, our Saturday starts off dry, midday's dry, late afternoon some rain moves in. So a lot of the first 2/3 of the day will be okay for any outdoor plans you may have. I know it's a big weekend, a lot of games, a lot of ceremonies, a lot of graduations. 4 to 6 p.m. rain arrives in central Massachusetts. It will take a little bit longer the farther east you come, but then it ramps up and it pours. Saturday night into Sunday morning. Very early for Mother's Day, the heaviest rain will shift north, and then we're just left with scattered showers, gloomy, wet, and raw for the remainder of Mother's Day. A lot of us will end up with 1 to 2 inches of rain. No coastal flooding concern. The wind may gust briefly on Sunday morning, 40 plus miles per hour on the Cape and Island. So tapers to showers, but definitely not the best day